This 2022 Keystone Montana High Country 377FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 41 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 9, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, slide-out, water heater, refrigerator, LP detector, microwave, TV, smoke detector, awning, and 87 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Keystone Montana High Country 377FL is 13,267 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.